Good evening. Authorities in Ridgeway, Oregon are searching tonight for a family of 4 who vanished from their wooded home sometime over the weekend. Neighbors reported lights left on and a car in the drive.
Well, the car is dead. Looks like it. Fuck. Okay, we'll probably get too early then. Hopefully it will start. Would you mind helping me with the... Hey, over here! They said I would have company tonight, and boy am I glad I do. My name is Mr. Lee, and yours? Well, it's nice to meet you. So, did they give you the rundown? No? Well, let me go over this quickly. So, that place over there is called the Ridgeway house, and it could potentially be bought by one of our clients, Mr. Gilbert. Thing is, something bad happened in that place a long time ago, and it's been haunted ever since, apparently. Now, it is our job to confirm it or just say it's a lot of bullshit, you know what I mean. Nobody wants to buy a haunted house. Now this is the gear we're using tonight, so we got the usual stuff. So the EMF meter here, digital recorder, flashlights, night vision, camcorder, etc. And if there's something in that place, we'll know, trust me. Now the car engine has to stay running, because I've got a bad starter and I'm not risking getting stuck out here. Well, if you're ready, let's head inside. Stay close. I can tell it's your first time. Don't worry, those sounds are just wildlife. If it's something else, then it will sound different, trust me. Now, in case that happens, then please do let me know. Because sometimes the supernatural they don't stick around for a while, and I need to have it recorded as proof. Well, if you're ready, let's go inside. This is the main hallway of the house. People say they can sometimes hear music or footsteps when they go past from the outside. But honestly, I'm not expecting anything. There's a road nearby, and with the house in this state, I mean, anything can get inside. You know, houses like this, they settle, creak, shift, crack, you know how it is. Be careful though, the floor isn't really stable. Wait, did you hear that? Okay, let's check the staircase. Just watch your step. Don't move. We should just check it. I think it's just some kids playing around or a stray cat. The second floor is supposed to have 6 rooms. Oh, come on. I just put new batteries in the side. What the... Okay, we're here. This room looks like it could be the master bedroom. Jesus, what is that smell? Can you smell that? Oh my god. Okay, you take the left side, I'll check the right. Wait, do you hear that car running? No, fuck. Well, the car is dead. Looks like it. Fuck. Okay, we'll probably get too early then. Hopefully it will start. Would you mind helping me with the... Just breathe. Run!